the day 3 of the vlog, and today we'll be going to Cherrapunji and I'll be updating you with the location and the view today. The moments we are creating, it's lovely to be here. The weather is quite pleasant, and since Guwahati is burning hot, so we are feeling very lucky to leave that heat behind and enjoy the little moments over here. The beauty is unstoppable. How much we capture is still less. It's all fog around. We cannot see any hills or mountains right now. And we are going to have buttas now. So hello guys, right now we are at Dimpum Valley and this is the view over here right now. कैसा लग रहा है ड्राइवर जी हमारे साथ?
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है। आपके साथ में जिंदगी भर याद रहेगा ये सफर।
याद रहेगा ना?
हाँ बिल्कुल याद रहेगा।
क्या मत खाइएगा ज़्यादा।
हाँ
हम आपको सताते हैं लेकिन एंजॉय करेंगे आप।
हाँ जरूर जरूर।
The weather is little clear right now and we are en route Sohra.
Oh.
Viewpoint. So now we are going to Garden of Caves, and the houses over here are so pretty, so miniature houses, and the hygiene they maintain, commendable. This place is unapologetically beautiful. Right now we are at Garden of Caves and it's raining heavily over here. If you come down to Cherrapunji and if you don't see the rain, it's a waste. It's very nice and I'll show you the view inside. This is the view over here. And let me show you inside. It's quite dark. If you wish to see heaven on earth, you must visit this place. The water is dripping all over here from all the rocks. It's amazing, amazing. I think you should visit this place.
ब्लॉगर जी अपने ऑडियंस को बताइए कुछ।
Audience can see how amazing it is. मतलब मैं तो बिल्कुल चाहूँगी कि वो लोग आए यहाँ, क्योंकि जो कैमरे में जो कैप्चर हो रहा है, that just does not justify what it exactly is. My goodness. See the roads. Commendable to the people. Electricity supply, everything, सब कुछ यहाँ पर उन्होंने कैसे बनाया है. This place is full of caves. There are various spots over here. You will find waterfall, then caves. Wonderful. This is another spot over here. This is another waterfall flowing out from the rock, quite high. So there's this bridge made out of bamboo, and a big appreciation to this people. Amazing place.
यहाँ पर ये टैप है जो हमेशा बकेट को फिल करती रहती है।
So basically there's another spot down there, but मेरे मम्मी पापा already बहुत tired हो चुके हैं and they are not interested in covering this spot. But let me show you the spot. Me and my siblings are going to see it. See, they missed a very wonderful spot. Yeah, it's a double waterfall. So this is spot number 7, and if you are interested in swimming, there's swimming life jackets over here, and they only charge 50 rupees, and you can swim in this wonderful waterfall. Let me take you to spot number 8, as it states baby in the mother's womb. Let me show you the place. So as you can see, this rock is carved as a baby in the mother's womb. This place is spot number 9 and 10, and the view states that it has got a bamboo bridge quite long, and we are going to see it right now. Guys, I want to update you with the fact that this whole trip we have kept it parents friendly, so they can enjoy the most over here. So there are many handcrafted shops over here. I have purchased this bag. This is made out of pineapple leaves. And I have also got one chopsticks for myself. So right now we are having Maggie, and Pahado wali Maggie is a must. So as you can see, we have reached the Seven Sisters waterfall, and it looks amazing. So the 5 waterfall falls from the bottom and 2 fall from the top. Right now we'll be having our lunch at the Green Leaf restaurant, and it's purely vegetarian. So we just had our lunch after quite finding a few places over here, and the food is very amazing. I think you should visit this place. It's purely vegetarian. The food is very tasty. So guys, right now we are traveling back to Shillong, and जब हम यहाँ आए थे तब भी इतनी बारिश थी, and when we are leaving it's still raining heavily, as you can see. It's raining very heavily right now. So guys, right now we are traveling back to Shillong, and if time permits and if we don't get stuck into the traffic, we'll be traveling back to Guwahati today itself. So guys, it's quite late right now. It's almost about 12:30, but we decided to go back Guwahati today itself. We want to take a good nap after reaching Guwahati only. So we are going back to Guwahati today itself, and I think we'll be reaching by 2:30. Let's see. And thank you for staying connected. I hope you enjoyed our 3-day vlog, and I hope I will be coming up with more such vlogs in future. Thank you.